Hi everyone, today I will show you how to use Valorant color codes and how to create your own color codes. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. We open settings to use the color code. Then click on crosshair. Click on primary. Click on the crosshair color selection setting and choose custom. Now we will paste our color code here. I'll show you 9 to 10 examples in this video. You can use the ones you like by copying them from the description section. Our first color is a light shade of purple. Our second color is blue. It is useful to pay attention to the map you will play while choosing a crosshair color. For example, this blue crosshair might be hard to spot on the Icebox map, but it will be easier to spot on maps like Bind. Please pay attention to this when choosing a color. Our third color is a shade of blue closer to purple. Our fourth color is light green. Our fifth color is burgundy. Red color can be very bright sometimes. This color code is a nice alternative to this. Our sixth color is light pink. It may be a disadvantage to choose this color on bright maps. Our seventh color is dark burgundy. This color is one of my favorites because it is very easy to spot. Our eighth color is amber. When I use my crosshair color in yellow tones, I prefer this color. Our ninth and final color is a different shade of purple. If you don't like any of these colors or if you want to make your own color code, we need to go to this site to do it. I will put the link of this site in the description section. You can enter the site from there. Here we choose our color tone from the right side. I will choose blue. After choosing our color, we adjust how on or off it will be. Since I want to create a color close to dark blue here, I choose a place closer to black. We created our color. Now we're copying its code to be able to use it in Valorant. We set the color of our crosshair as the color we created. Since this color looks darker than I expected, I will create a light color code. I re-enter the site and this time I choose green. I choose somewhere between white and green because I want it to be clear. This is how it looks in the game. If you want, you can share the color codes that you see worth sharing in the comments section with other people. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video useful for you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.